When you're renting out a property, not all leases are the same. In this video, we'll look at fixed-term leases and short-term rentals used for investors thinking of listing their property on Airbnbs, stays, and other holiday rental services. Knowing the differences between them doesn't just affect income, it completely changes your risk profile and the insurance you need. Let's break it down. A fixed-term lease is what most people think of as a standard rental. It has a clear start date and end date, often 6 to 12 months, and both the landlord and tenant agree to stay for that period. This structure creates stability. You typically have one tenant or household. Rent is consistent and predictable, and the property is occupied long-term. From an insurance perspective, this predictability is key. Traditional landlord insurance policies are designed specifically for this setup. They often cover things like tenant damage, loss of rent when an insured event makes a property uninhabitable, and legal liability as the owner in case a tenant or visitor injures themselves on the property. Many policies expect a fixed-term lease to be in place for coverage to apply properly. Now compare that to a short-term rental. Instead of one tenant over a long period, you have multiple short-term guests, often staying for just a few days or weeks at a time. This creates a completely different risk profile. Some major differences would be the high guest turnover, the frequent use of furniture and appliances, and the exposure to accidental or even malicious damage from tenants. Once you list your property on a short-term rental site, it's no longer treated as a standard home. It becomes an income-producing asset with higher risk, meaning it needs specific insurance designed to cover these risks. With a fixed-term lease, you're dealing with known occupants over time. With Airbnb, you're effectively running a mini hotel. Here's what many property owners get caught out. A standard home insurance policy usually does not cover short-term rentals. So if you switch from a fixed lease to Airbnb without updating your insurance, you could be completely exposed. You may not be covered for these high risks associated with short-term rentals, meaning that you could be liable for thousands of dollars in payments, reducing your cash flow and impacting your finances. Some platforms such as Airbnb do provide some insurance cover. Their insurance may cover some damage protection and some liability cover if a guest is injured. But it's important to understand what it doesn't cover. They are not full insurance policies you control. They have limits, exclusions, and conditions, which may not cover things like wear and tear, loss of rental income from an insured event, or certain types of damage. And crucially, it won't cover your building for insured events like fires or storms, which can cause damage to the property and prevent it from being habitable as an income-generating asset. Relying on these insurance options alone can leave significant and costly gaps. With a fixed-term lease, you can usually rely on standard landlord insurance. Coverage is aligned with long-term tenants, and risk is lower and more predictable. With Airbnb, you may need specialized landlord or short-term rental insurance. Policies must explicitly allow short stays. Cover needs to account for guest damage, theft, loss of income from canceled bookings, and liability risks. Without the right policy, you could be left paying out of pocket for repairs, legal claims, and lost income. A fixed-term lease offers stability and simpler insurance. Airbnb or short-term leases offer flexibility, but also a higher risk and more complex insurance needs. That's why insurance matters. Because the moment you change how your property is used, you also change what risks you face, what your policy covers, and whether you're actually protected at all. So before choosing between a fixed-term lease and Airbnb, don't just compare rental income. Ask yourself, do I have the right insurance for the way I'm renting this property? Because in the end, the wrong cover can cost far more than the rent you earn. If you're unsure whether you have the right insurance policy for your property, or would like to know more about your cover options, get in touch with the team at Duo Insurance today.